Hello guys. Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, you will get the complete steps to set up your Nighthawk AX4200 5-stream, RAX43 Dual-Band Wi-Fi 6 router. Let's start the process. First of all, use the Ethernet cable to connect the modem to the yellow Internet port on the Nighthawk AX4200 RAX43 router. If your internet connection does not require a modem, connect your main Ethernet cable to the yellow Internet port on the router. Now, connect the power adapter to your router and plug the power adapter into an outlet. Then, press the power on or off button on the rear panel of the router. The router's power LED lights solid white when the router is ready. Make sure that the Nighthawk AX4600 8-stream router is receiving power. On your smartphone device, open your device's Wi-Fi network management settings or Wi-Fi networking list. Find and select the router SSID. The router SSID is on the router label. Enter the router password. The router password is on the router label. Your device connects to the Wi-Fi network. Launch a web browser from a computer or mobile device that is connected to the router network. Enter default IP address of your Nighthawk AX4200 router. A login window opens. Enter the router admin username and password. Follow the on-screen instructions. The router connects to the internet. With the Nighthawk app, you can easily install and manage your Nighthawk AX4200 5-stream RAX43 router. The app automatically updates the router to the latest firmware, allows you to personalize your Wi-Fi network, and even helps register your router with Netgear. The Nighthawk app is available for iOS and Android mobile devices. Use your cellular data or connect to your previous router's Wi-Fi network to download the app. Wait for the Nighthawk app to download on your mobile device. Launch the Nighthawk app. Follow the instructions that display in the app to install your router and connect to the internet. If you are facing any trouble, to set up your Nighthawk AX4200 5-stream RAX43 Dual-Band Wi-Fi 6 router, then you can reach us. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for more updates.